Hey everybody, what's up? It's Katie Austin here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I truly believe that this year, no matter who you are out there, is going to be your year. Whatever goal, whether it's career-wise, friendship-wise, relationship-wise, starting a new decade, and especially one that says 2020, just like resembles focus. 2020 is clear vision, and so we should go into this year and really go after whatever it is that may be that you've been wanting to accomplish for so long. That can also be within. I'm sure every single year this time comes around and by February, we've given up on our goals. So many different types of resolutions for marketing ways. Make sure to stay on your own path, create your own goals and your own journey out of it. Whatever goals that you're choosing, make sure you're doing it for yourself and no one else, because that's how you're going to succeed. So this is really meaning like how to attain your goals in 2020, how to actually stick to your New Year's resolution. I want you guys to set attainable goals for yourself. And you've probably heard that a lot, smaller attainable goals. You are going to beat yourself up if it is not reasonable for your lifestyle that you're already living. Also, making them a habit. If you don't think that your goal, what you want to accomplish, can become a habit in your lifestyle, it won't be attainable. And I get this question a lot, is how to be motivated every single day. You're not going to be. You are not going to be motivated every single day to work out or go towards your career or whatever. That is why you have to create a habit, so when you're not motivated, you're still doing it because it just becomes routine. So also say your New Year's resolution has to do with losing weight and focusing on your food goals. Make sure that when you go into the new year, you're not cutting everything out just like point blank. I'm not gonna eat gluten, I'm not gonna eat junk food, I'm not gonna drink as much. It's not gonna work. Create moderation and balance for yourself. So, not giving up alcohol for 30 days, I'm actually just gonna drink once a week. That's a realistic goal. And in terms of these quantity of goals, don't have a ton of New Year's resolutions. Pick 1 to 3 of them and write them all down. Plan them now before January 1st hits, because that way you can track them. Write out your goals and write out the ways you think you are going to attain them. Planning and journaling these resolutions is the key to accomplishing them. If you guys are looking for a plan or a schedule to accomplish, I'm actually coming out with a 21-day guide. I made it 21 days on purpose because research shows that that is how long it takes to create a habit. So if you guys can accomplish these 21 days, you can accomplish it for the entire year. And I truly, truly believe that. You want to make these goals a lifestyle. You don't want to just make them a New Year's resolution that are going to be gone in 3-4 weeks tops. Another thing that can really help you, like exponentially, is grabbing an accountability partner. I think this is huge. It can be a family member, your best friend, or whatever. If you guys stick together on your goals, you are just like 10 times more able to accomplish them, in my opinion. Bottom line is, don't beat yourself up. Don't be too hard on yourself. Start slow, and you can always improve from there. My biggest tip is to be gradual with it. Say if you're training for a marathon, you're not gonna be running 24 miles the first frickin' day you train. So why are you being so hard on yourself right when the new year hits? Making sure you are starting smaller and improving from there every single week. Setting a date in your calendar helps me so much. So my set date of when I want to make sure that I'm sticking to my yoga goals and my running goals is mid-March. So I want to make sure by mid-March that I am still sticking to my New Year's resolutions. Every single week in my 2020 calendar, I have stars where I can mark if I did the running or the yoga that week, and it goes until mid-March. You're probably thinking, well, that doesn't make sense. Why don't you just do it the whole year? Well, maybe I want to reevaluate my goals mid-March, because I just want to make sure I can stick to it for 3 months, and then I'll be so proud of myself. So write a few dates in your calendar where you think you can accomplish those goals, and of course, be proud of yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's go freaking kill and crush our 2020 goals. I hope this video inspired and motivated you whatever that may be. Make sure you're staying patient. Make sure you're being persistent. I promise you, if you stay at it, if you're patient and you're persistent and you think about those goals every single day of your life, you will accomplish it. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe. Peace.